Welcome to your ultimate guide on mastering Gate.io deposits and withdrawals. Let's dive into the world of efficient cryptocurrency management. Gate.io plays a crucial role in the crypto ecosystem. Understanding its features is key to successful trading. Secure and efficient fund management is essential on crypto exchanges. Let's explore how to navigate Gate.io's features. First, let's access the Wallet section on Gate.io. This is where you'll manage all your deposits and withdrawals. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process for depositing funds using the on-chain deposit option. Gate.io offers various deposit methods, including bank transfers, P2P, and debit or credit cards. Choose what works best for you. Let's explore the withdrawal process, focusing on the on-chain withdrawal feature. Always verify your transaction details. Learn to use blockchain explorers to track your deposit and withdrawal statuses. It's crucial for managing your transactions. Ready to start your Gate.io journey? Click the link below to create your account and begin trading with confidence.